So in this particular video, you will learn how you can integrate your InstaMojo account with Invanto, that is you can say a LMS platform, learning management platform, where you can host your courses, your service, your video courses, whatever you're having, you can host there. So that's the LMS platform. How you can integrate your Invanto account with InstaMojo. For integration, I'm using a software called Pebble Connect. You can also use Zapier, and there are lots of alternatives in the market like Automate.io and lots of. But I really love Pebble Connect because first of all, it's a cost-effective one, and secondly, I really love their service. Like his founder is also one of my, you can say he's my friend, and I asked him, and they are growing like anything. Moreover, it's founded in India. That's my country. That's why I prefer using Pebble Connect over any kind of automation tool. So now I'll teach you how you can integrate your InstaMojo with Invanto. Okay. So first of all, you need to have a product inside InstaMojo. I am having this consultation product where I am giving consultation called people. I will click on edit. Then what I will do, I will click on advanced settings. Now, where I want people to go. So I added this Calendly link. When someone will make a purchase, he can directly book a call from Calendly. So this is a webhook. So you need a webhook. We are using a webhook to do these things. So what exactly webhook is? So let me explain you over here. Supposedly this is your webhook, okay? InstaMojo. This is your InstaMojo, and webhook is a way to travel data. So you can mark this arrow as a webhook, okay? So webhook is going to Pebbly's database. Now webhook is going to Pebbly, okay? From InstaMojo, we are sending data to InstaMojo. We are sending data to Pebbly. Okay. Now what Pebbly will do is, in the form of webhooks, we send data to Pebbly Connect. Now Pebbly Connect will send data to Invanto in the form of webhooks, because Invanto accept webhooks. Lots of platform accept accept webhooks because they are very compatible, and that's where they are very helpful when you are integrating other tools. So they will send this to Invanto. So we can also do direct InstaMojo to Invanto, but the thing is, InstaMojo also send webhooks for failed payments. I have seen like platforms like Razorpay, they are sending for only for successful payments, but they are sending one webhook for, they are having one webhook for every product. So for filtering that out, you also need an integration tool, right? But if having one product, you can go with Razorpay as well. So now you are integrating InstaMojo with Invanto. So we are using the form of webhooks. We are doing this process, and let me explain you how you can do same. So let me share my screen. Okay. So we are editing our product. So we need a webhook. So what you can do, you can come over here and create a new workflow. After that, you will get this. Now you need to search here for webhook. I already having webhook. Now they will tell you, okay, copy this URL and paste this over here. Now what will happen is, when someone will send pay over here, pay using this button, a webhook will trigger over here. That will help, that triggered webhook will help you to send data here, okay, in the Public Connect. So now now I have to do a test payment. You also need to do a test payment, but before that, click on this capture web response. Otherwise you need to do a payment again. So it's waiting for payment. Let me generate a coupon, because I will do payment of 9 rupees now. So let me generate a coupon very quickly. Coupons. Okay. So let me generate coupon with the name of test. How much discount I want? 1999. I will set quantity to one. I will set quantity to one. Okay. Because I didn't want like you guys are using it and having a call with me. Oh sorry. Actually that's zero. Just wait a minute. Actually I have to create it. Okay. I will just go and check the price. Okay. 1990. Let me do it. 199. Okay. Now that looks good. Okay. So let me open it up. Okay, perfect guys, perfect. So 9 rupees, I have to pay 9 rupees. You can't do a free payment because you need to do a payment where money is, where you are sending money. So with that, we can apply a filter inside Pebble Connect that this is the money. Like if money comes up, then you need to send webhook, not send any webhook if payment fails. If payment fails and send the webhook, what is the sense behind it, right? So let me click on pay now. So let me add a name, Sharad Singh. Let me add an email, entrepreneur Sharad at gmail.com 99999. Okay, let me do it. This is not my number, guys. So don't call over here. So I want 1 hour consultation. I have to pay 9 rupees. I will click on next button. Now I will pay through UPI. I have to pay 9 rupees over here. So let me pay it with my mobile phone. Uh, just let me do it. Okay, guys, I done the payment at my end. Okay, as you can see, it's paid. Okay, Instamojo order successful. Now I do not want you to redirect me now. Okay, now they will redirect me to that user to that calendar link where they can have a consultation call with me. So now we have paid the money. So let's came over here, and as you can see, I put this name, I put this email, this is the number. Right now we are having a data. Now we will play with this data and do a integration. So what we are going to do now is we will apply a filter. What we will do, we will put status is equal to credit because we want only paid payments to be here where the user paid the money. I want status is equal to credit. So put this, click on the save button because we only want the paid users, not anyone, and click on send text request. When the status is equal to success and condition is equal to true, you need to click on this step. Just click and just click over API, make this post because we are sending webhook right now. So we'll send post. Now we'll need a URL. So how you can get this URL? So I am inside my Invanto account. I will click on Coach Rack. Okay. Okay, I will click on manage courses. So I just created this demo course, amateur test. I will click on edit. Not is taking too much time today. Okay, it's done. I will click on setting. I will click on pricing. Okay, now I will click on add a plan. So now if you have not done that, then please do it like I am doing. If you done that, you can just skip this video to next 10 seconds. Now click on webhook, copy this webhook, paste this webhook over here, click on set parameters. Just have a close look over here, guys. Buyer and buyer underscore name. These are the two things that you need to bear in mind while doing it. So buyer is mobile this, and we are sending this data. That's why I'm entering this. So let me click on zoom. Guys, you can just look over here, buyer and underscore buyer name. By the way, that's also given over here. Just have a look over here, right? Over this. Now I will click on the save button. So guys, we have done most of our part. Let me click on OK. Now I will click on send test request. Now this course will be assigned to my email ID. Order placed, value is equal to 1. Now what I will do, I will go and check my email. I got the access or not. Okay, I just pause this screen, guys. I'm opening my email. Uh, which one I added? Entrepreneur Shiraz, right? So as you can see, payment receipt, we added the value 0, so I got this. We successfully received your payment. Okay, that one 1 hour ago when I was testing my other product. So here I will get all the access, like this is the detail. Go and reset your password. This is the URL. That's all, guys, and this is the InstaMojo receipt, right? The InstaMojo receipt that I paid 4 minutes ago. So that's all that you have to do for integration. If you want to do an integration of InstaMojo with Invanto, so this is the tool called Public Connect. I will place the link in my description. That will be, of course, an affiliate link. Okay, so you can directly go and buy Public Connect. That's $9 for 12,000 tasks right now, and that's a limited pricing, and you can do a lots of integration. Like from here, what you can do, you can add them into your ConvertKit account. I'm using ConvertKit. You can add them into your sheet, Google Sheet, or you can add those subscribers to send in below Google Sheet, any other platform. Even they are having a direct integration with InstaMojo. I do not use that because I love the webhooks. So that's all that you need to do. And this is the test payment that I created. And let me edit this. I will just make something like consulting. You can do this thing, and that's all for this video, guys. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share it with someone who is also facing issue like you. And thanks for watching, and I will see you inside the next video.